And now, let us fly away as we start Day 3 of Cosplay Mania 2024. Please welcome on stage, Kira Kira Kat!
Fly away now, fly away now, fly away. Hey!
And Pau Pau!
Si Kanaka-naka-naka-kastantan. Mali pala. Hindi pa Wrong dear, wrong dear. Hey, guys!
And Fatima!
Ayan! Hindi ako marunong kumanta. So, good morning, good afternoon. Ayan.
And finally, Kenkoy!
Konnichiwa!
Konnichiwa. Ayan. Good afternoon to everyone! Ayan.
Hi! Dapat meron hindi ba pag-ring sa restaurant? Irashay-man, sir! Ay, mali.
Parang sa SM lang. Good morning.
Mag-blending tayo. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Parang nagsiba.
Alright, so pakilala tayo sa ating mga audience.
Hello, everybody! I hope that you're excited for another fun-filled day of anime, cosplay, music, and games. I'm Kira Kira Kat!
Our theme, Zenith in the Clouds, follows this year's event series about different fantasy settings. Guys, Day 3 na! So today we launch you all up in the air. Hello everyone, my name is Pau.
And hold on to your seats for the cosplay guest Q&As and standing raffle at the EX stage. My name is Fatima.
Our program promises to take you through a fantastic lineup of activities, electrifying performances, and exciting games. My name is Ken Koy, that is spelled K-E-K-E-N. Let me repeat that.
One more time.
K-E-N-K-O-Y, because we all welcome you to the Day 3 of
Cosplay Mania 2024!
Grabe ang bilis ng panahon.
Oo nga eh, Day 3 na eh.
Grabe, bilis.
Parang napa-teleport ka yata dito.
Ano lang? Bumisita lang.
Oo.
For the first time, 3 days tayo this year.
Yes, 3 days.
Ay, nako. Ang daming nangyari at ang dami pa mangyayari later. So be sure to tune in to what we have in store for you today.
That's right, and our theme for this year's Cosplay Mania is Zenith in the Clouds, a fantasy setting up in the sky. May mga naisip ba kayong example? Galing ka ata siguro sa clouds, no? Kasi parang bumaba ka dito, you're an angel from the clouds.
Wow.
So, ano ba yung mga fantasy setting na mga anime na mga naiisip ninyo?
Yung saw.
Sao!
I think
Sword Art
Gundam.
Online.
Gundam din pwede.
Gundam.
Skyward Sword.
Ayun, ano rin, sa One Piece, yung Skypiea. Diba?
Oo, tama.
And there's actually another video game, si Bioshock Infinite. Isa pa yung
Yun.
sky-themed natin.
Alright, so just like those aerial anime and games, dapat pataas din yung energy natin because today, we'll have a new games for our audience. That is called Kaiju Sweeper and Cosplay Junkin. So, sali kayo.
Yes.
And also, mga audience, para ma-witness niyo yung mga games and activities natin dito sa stage sa Day 3. Pwede tayo mag-move forward. May
Forward
mga
naman
bakante pa
tayo
po
para
dyan.
yung sa likod makadaan.
Yes.
ng
Yes.
sila.
Alright,
Maluwag
we
pa
have a
po
big
yan.
space here in front.
Please po, move
Yes.
forward po tayo.
Forward lang muna para
Alright.
yung bigyan natin daan yung nasa likod.
Okay,
Tama.
okay, audience. I want you guys to stand up and please walk towards the stage
Yun.
so we can give more space to all of the congoers that want to participate and watch and walk around. Everybody here in the middle, yung mga nasa gitna po natin na audience members, pakiusap lang po,
Yes po.
tumayo po tayo at pumunta dito sa may harap ng stage dahil ang dami mo pong pwedeng upuan dito.
Yes, occupy po yung mga
Libre lang
bakante
po
po.
yan.
Tsaka pakiingatan po ang inyong mga gamit po while going to the front. Alright, thank you so much for your cooperation.
Yes.
Ano nangyari sa inyo? Ano
Nawalan
nangyari?
ako ng mic.
Ano, wala
Hala.
ng mic.
And another segment our audience must be excited about is the Q&A sessions. Gusto ko i-emphasize yung S. Sessions. Because unlike the past couple of days, today we actually have 2 international
Wow.
cosplayers.
Sino?
Sino yan?
Guys,
Sino yan?
kilala niyo ba sila?
Di yata.
Parang hindi. But I heard
Surprise daw eh.
may mga ano doon kanina because it's Taryn from Italy and
Taryn!
Leia from Malaysia.
Malaysia! Ayan, wow. Ay,
Ikimin!
Alright, so sa sino mga fans niya ni Taryn at Leia, abangan nyo sila dito mamaya. We'll have a Q&A.
Wait, tignan nga natin. Who's here for Taryn?
ayun, nasa
Oh, dami.
Grabe
Okay.
energy.
And who's here
Ayan.
for Leia?
Leia,
Oh, daming fans.
mga
Nice,
busy lang
nice,
sila
nice.
ngayon for now.
Oh, but there's more. We'll also hold our cosplay masquerade contest later today with secret judges. So we'll have a showcase of all our participants and we'll keep the finals and reveal our judges.
And beside of our activities and guests, please enjoy the EX Hall's attractions, booth, fanfare tables, and All Stars Avenue. And of course, the course and the booth, mga pagkain natin. Ito hindi na laging nawawala.
Yes.
Of course. And so much
Diba?
is in store for us. Actually, kanina ang dami ko nang nakikita mga nagsa-selfies, mga nag-groupies,
Yes.
mga nagpo-photo sessions dyan sa labas. So, if you're having a great time at the event, we encourage you to share your experiences on social media. Of course, using our official hashtag #CosplayMania2024.
And again, as a reminder, please do keep your valuables and keep them in line of sight. If you need any assistance, you may approach our staff. And remember to clean as you go or Clay go and keep our convention surroundings clean.
Yes, and always remember the cosplay is not consent. If you experience any incidents of harassment, report them immediately to our cosplay.ph staff members so the proper steps can be taken.
Alright, so this is the ultimate event for fans. So enjoy the sights and attractions we have to offer all weekend long.
Everyone, get ready for the biggest anime and cosplay convention in the Philippines,
Cosplay Mania 2024!
Taas ang energy, ah.
Woo!
Busog lang.
Ay.
So, mga dear beloved female co-host, nabanggit natin kanina ating new game which is ang Kaiju Sweeper.
Oh.
Yung
Ay,
Kaiju Sweeper,
oo.
ito inspired to sa nangyari last Cosplay Mania na merong isang cosplayer ng Pikachu at isang cosplayer ng T-Rex na naglaban dito para silang mga Kaiju.
Intense naman.
Intense. As in,
Oh.
like, everybody in the crowd was like, you know, cheering and yelling.
Alam niyo ba ibig sabihin ng Kaiju?
Ano ba ang meaning ng kaiju?
Ano ba? Ano nga ba?
Well, kasi ang kaiju means strange beast. Actually, yung parang malalaki, like Gojira or like
Gojira.
Mothra, ganun. Pero hindi lang yung mga malalaking monsters ang kaiju ngayon, pati yung mga maliliit. And speaking of which, who's watching Kaiju number 8?
Kaiju number 8
Oh,
cosplay.
Kaiju number 8.
Make some
Ayun,
noise.
meron nagtataas.
Yun. Dami.
Ayun pa.
And I think sa mga na, hindi pa nakakanood ng Kaiju or haven't caught up with the season, no, I think they can actually also stream it online.
Yes.
You can stream it with our sponsor, Anyone. So be sure to subscribe to their YouTube channel.
And with that, I think it's time for our audience to play our new game called
Kaiju Sweeper! And to introduce our game, we will leaving it to our dear beloved Fatima and Kat. So, magkaalam muna kami.
Yes.
Magka-Kaiju hunting lang kami.
Magka-Kaiju hunting muna kami.
Hunting muna kayo doon.
Ayan. Baka mamaya, pagbalik